everyone, welcome back to my channel, J Dreaming. My name is Haley J Jones, and today we're going to be doing a Lush Bath Bomb haul. I'm so excited for this. Lately, and we kind of talked about it in my life updates and my resolutions, but lately I've just been like so into self-care, which I think everyone should be into it, but lately, self-care for me means a lot of baths. There's something about just like soaking in the tub with a good book that just makes me feel like I'm kind of away from the world and like just treating myself. So in the spirit of self-care, I decided to order some bath bombs from Lush. I cannot wait to use them, but first I want to share them with you guys, so let's jump on in. Okay, so like I said, I got 4 of them. I think it came in a box that can fit like 6 because there were some like dividers and stuff like that. But first let's talk shipping. So they did take a while to ship, and I ordered them in probably like the last week of December, so I'm sure that like the Christmas rush and like shipping delays and all that kind of stuff, I'm sure that that played a factor. But just to let you know, they do take a while to ship, or at least mine did. Shipping might be better now, like I said, but you also have the like pickup option. So if you have a Lush store by you, you can order them online and then go and pick them up as well. I really want to go to a Lush store. I've actually never been to like the actual physical Lush stores. So I'm hoping that once things start like opening up and getting a little safer in the outside world, I can maybe take a trip down to a mall by me and go to Lush. Okay, so I'll show you what the inside of the box looks like. You get all of these little like packing peanuts, so that's exciting. But I'm going to go through them one at a time. I'm going to talk about what colors they are, what scents they are, if they have shimmer, if they have the like popping candy that some of the bath bombs do have, all of that kind of stuff. If any of the like oils or scents have certain benefits, I'll try to cover that. And then I'm also going to talk about price and reviews. Okay, so the first one we have to talk about is Intergalactic is what it's called. So I'll kind of show you guys like what it looks like. It's so cute. I love this one. So this is peppermint and cedarwood scented, which I really like peppermint. I'm like a really big allergy sufferer. So peppermint usually just kind of like makes it a little bit easier for me to breathe. So I'm definitely excited for that. As you can see, it has neon colors, so the bath is completely opaque in all of these lovely colors that you see here. It also has shimmer, so I am a little bit nervous. I don't want to look like I am like a disco ball when I get out of the bath, but I don't think that the shimmer is like that strong. And then it also has popping candy, which I'm excited for. I've never had a bath bomb that has that. So we will see how this one goes. It is also a cult classic. So I don't know really what that means, but I know that means that a lot of people like it. And you can tell that by the reviews too, because it is 4.5 out of 5 reviews. It's 4.5 out of 5 stars, and it has 977 reviews. So I'll show it to you one more time. It's so cute. It's really sparkly. I don't know if you guys can really like see the sparkles, but yeah, very sparkly. It smells amazing. It smells like super fresh and minty. I'm so excited to use it. I can't wait. But yeah, so this is Intergalactic, and it is $7.95. Okay, so this next one is called Twilight. It is super cute. This is 6.3 ounces, and so is the first one that I showed you, and then the next one that I show you will also be 6.3 ounces. But so this is Twilight, so it's pink, and it has these little like stars and moons on them. And so this is lavender scented, so it's very like floral scented, which sometimes I'm like a little hesitant to try because if the scent is too like strong, I'll get migraines, but this one smells pretty good, so I'm excited about this one. It is pink, and then on the inside it has a blue and like dark indigo color is what it says, and I don't believe this one has any shimmer, so take that for what you will. If you're a shimmer lover, then you might want to skip this one. However, this is a bestseller, and it has 4.5 out of 5 stars, and I believe it was like 700 reviews. So a lot of people do like it. So it has lavender oil, Tonka Absolute, which I'm not totally sure what that is, and then ylang ylang oil is what it's called, I think. I even looked up like how to pronounce it, and that's what the internet said. But so yeah, I'm super excited to try this one. It's just so cute, and I love lavender scented stuff, so I'm really excited. And maybe I'll try it like, I don't know, on like a weeknight before I go to bed to make sure I sleep well. This one is also $7.95. And I don't know, that's like pretty expensive for a bath bomb, but hopefully it's worth it. So the next one we have is called Dragon's Egg. And it is kind of like boring looking at first. You can't really see it, but it's like a, yeah, this one isn't showing up. It's like a cream color. But then it has like little speckles of orange and like pink, reddish. But so this is called Dragon's Egg. It is $7.45, so a little bit cheaper than the previous ones. It is 4.5 out of 5 stars, and that's with 542 reviews. So still like pretty good. A lot of people like it. It is a like citrus, like lemon. It actually almost reminds me of like if anyone's used Lemon Pledge. That's like really what this smells like, but in the best way possible. But so this has like a cream and orange coloring, and then it also has popping candy and shimmer. So again, I can't wait for the popping candy. I don't know what kind of sensation that's gonna bring, but it's just super unique. I've never had a bath bomb with that. And then, yeah, it says most of the shimmer is like hidden on the inside, kind of like a fiery surprise at the end of your bath. So we'll see. It is packed with lemon oil and jasmine absolute, which again, I'm not like super sure what the absolute is. The only absolute I know is vodka, and I don't think that's in this bath bomb. But yeah, it is not regarded as like a cult classic or anything like that. But I definitely think it's going to be one of my staples. I love the citrus scent, so we will see what happens. So I picked out one that wasn't like as popular because I just wanted to kind of experiment. But so this is blackberry. Also, I just loved like the shape of it. I thought it was so cute. But so this is blackberry. It is scented with sweet bergamot oil and then berry scented. So I can confirm it is berry scented. It is a 4-star out of 5, and it only has 36 reviews. So not like as many people choose this one, which I don't know why, because he's so cute. But I don't know. Maybe I'll review them later, like talk about them on my Instagram. But so this obviously would turn the water a like opaque light purple and maybe like a blue. So it does say that the bergamot oil cleanses and refreshes while the lemon oil kind of relaxes you. It is, like I said, that dark blue kind of purpley color. And one thing I think I'm going to like about this is that it does not have any glitter in it. So glitter, of course, can be fun and magical, but when you have to clean the tub out afterwards, it can kind of get a little bit annoying. So this one is a no glitter bath bomb, so some people might really like it if your preference is to not have glitter. And this one is $7.25. So this is the cheapest out of all of them, only by a couple of cents. Really, all of them are about $8. But yeah, and right now Lush is doing a free shipping promotion. So if you spend $50, which would be about like 5 bath bombs, maybe 6, or get their gift sets. I was just looking at their gift sets online because I'm shopping for a couple people's birthdays, and some other stuff that I'll like talk about later. But so their gift sets are a super good deal, and you kind of get to try like the whole range of, Lush. So like bubble bars, maybe some shampoo, some like lotions, that kind of stuff. So it is a good option if you kind of want to like sample more of their products. But if you're just interested in the bath bombs like I was, then you can just order like 5 or 6 and you should get to that $50 mark, and then you have free shipping. So obviously Lush can be a little bit more on the pricey end when we're talking about bath bombs, but these bath bombs are self-preserving, which means that they can just like sit in your bathroom like this. You don't have to have them in like a jar or a cabinet or a Ziploc bag or anything like that, which is really cool. A lot of the other ones that you get at like Walmart or Meijer or even like I think they're like Dr. Teal's bath bombs and all that stuff, you'll find that they have like the not silicone, but it's like a really thin plastic wrap around them. And it's because they aren't self-preserving. So that's one thing to think about. These will last until I want to use them, which is really nice. And then also they are all vegan. So if that's something that you are looking for in a bath bomb, look no further than Lush. All of their products are vegan, and they don't test on animals, which is also really great. So if that's something that you're interested in, or if that is a personal conviction of yours, definitely check out Lush. Okay, everyone, well, thank you so much for watching. That is it for this video. Please make sure to subscribe and click the notification bell so you get notified every time I post a video. I've been trying to post Fridays, or every Friday, I should say, around 10 a.m. And then sometimes during the week, if I have some time, I'll post a second video, usually on a Wednesday. So if you're interested in that, make sure to hit the notification bell so you never miss my uploads. Like this video if you liked this video. If you want to see more hauls or these kinds of videos, like a little bit of show and tell, please like the video so I know. And then leave a comment. What's your favorite personal care item? What's your favorite bath bomb? Have you shopped Lush before? Do you like it? Do you not like it? Let me know what you guys think. And until the next video, see you guys.